in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review, first impressions, a tutorial on the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. Urban Decay did send this to me. I got it in the mail yesterday, and I'm not obligated whatsoever to even post a review about it, but you know I got a review for you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Christina, and I love doing reviews, tutorials, just anything that has to do with makeup. I love sharing my thoughts with you guys on it. I am a shimmer eyeshadow girl. I just love shimmer eyeshadows way over a matte shadow. That's just like my thing. And this palette has eight shimmer shades in it. On the packaging, it says, get inspired to create with the Stoned Vibes eyeshadow palette, a lineup of 12 all-new, highly reflective vegan shades infused with genuine tourmaline to block bad vibes and take your look higher. And then it says, heads up, this creamy, buildable formula is best when touched and swiped. For a more intense color payoff, use your fingers with the marbleized shimmer shades. So this is what the palette looks like. The packaging is so beautiful. It has like this 3D like gem effect on it. And as you can tell from my eye makeup look, I tried out as many of the shimmer shades that I could. I wish I had more eyeballs so I could have played with all of them, but I did do swatches on the ones that I didn't do on my eyes. So just keep watching for all that. It is gonna be available August 30th on urbandecay.com and Ulta online or in stores. And then it'll be available September 20th at Sephora, Nordstrom's, Macy's, and QVC.com. So let's just jump right into this review. If you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts, first impressions, review on the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with highlighting my brow bone, and I'm gonna use the shade Good Karma. Now on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna take the shade Antidote and sweep that all across my crease and my lid. To deepen the shade up even more, I'm gonna use this matte shade called Hex. Now I'm gonna take a blending brush with no additional product on it and just really blend out that outer corner. And why not? Because there are 4 matte shades in this palette, so I'm gonna just use them all. I'm gonna use this last one, which is the darkest shade in the palette, called Third Eye, and I'm gonna focus that in the outer corner of my crease. Okay, loving the matte shades. They just blended so good. And all 3 of these shades together, there's 4 matte shades, but the one I use for my brow bone, so the other 3 shades just go so perfectly with each other, and I'm really digging the vibes of it. So the matte shades are bomb. I really like them, but the stars of this palette are these crystal infused shadows, which are gorgeous. I haven't even swatched them whatsoever yet, so this will be my first time, and I don't know which one I want to use. I feel like I say that in every eyeshadow video that I do, but realistically, like, I really don't. So I'm gonna go into Meditate is really calling my name, or I don't know, I like vibes. I like them all, you guys. So maybe I'll do a combination of these 3 right here, Vibes, Raw Energy, and Meditate. I'll start by using a brush, and I'm gonna take the darkest one out of the 3, which I feel like is Raw Energy. It's like a purpley shade. Ooh. When you put your brush into it, let's see if my camera picks this up. You see how when I put my brush into it, it really made the silvers come out more? Let's see if you can see if I do it right here. So yeah, as soon as you break it up, then the pigments really come out. So let's go. I hope this doesn't get all over my face, you guys. Pretty pigmented with a brush. Now let's do the finger test, because I feel like your finger always makes shimmer shades just really pop and stand out. So let's use the good old finger. Swatching it on my finger, it's just coming out to be like this beautiful purple, silvery, metallic shade. Okay, yes, definitely more pigmented when you use your finger. So now I'm gonna go into Vibes, and I'll use a brush at first. Okay, these are gorgeous. Let me use my finger for Vibes. Vibes is more on the pinkish side, but still with that silver undertone. Okay, I am vibing to Vibes. Like, these are so pretty. I am a sucker for shimmer shadows, so yes, 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 on these are so good. And you guys, I do not have any fallout. That's pretty cool. Okay, so I want to try some of these other crystal infused shadows, and I don't even care if my eyes don't match. So I am going to go in with the more bluer shades, Opal Aura and Ojo, or Oho, I don't know how to say that, but I'm gonna try those two out. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the darker shade Oho. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Do you see that pigment? Oh, I wish I had my other camera, you guys. Finger test. It's just so gorgeous. Wow, that pigment is insane. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Opal Aura, and let's just use our finger right off the bat. These are gorgeous. I am so impressed. I do have a little bit of fallout on my face, so I'm just gonna take a brush and sweep it away. And I'm just gonna finish up the lower lash line by using the matte shade Hex and Third Eye. Then I'm going to really smoke out that bottom lash line by using the matte shade Antidote and blending all of those together. So I'm gonna swatch the rest of the shades that I didn't use because I'm curious to see how they look, and I know you guys wanna see too. So I'm gonna start with Jade, and it just looks like a beautiful green. And the last one is Meditate. I'm gonna go throw on some liner and lashes, and I'll be right back to let you guys know if this Urban Decay Stone Vibes palette is Laugh, Love, and Hippie approved or not. Okay, you guys, this is the final makeup look. So I'm pretty sure you guys already know what my thoughts on this palette are based on when I was doing the makeup look, and I freaking love this palette. Like, I was not expecting these shimmer shades to perform so well. Like, they are bomb.com, you guys. I don't know what kind of magic Urban Decay did, but that just blew me away. The mattes are amazing. They blended out so good, very pigmented, and really easy to work with. I just love everything about this palette so far. I cannot wait to use more of the shades together, especially the green Jade just looks so beautiful. All these shimmers are beautiful, even the mattes. And at first I didn't think those 4 matte shades were gonna go good with all of the rest of the shades in the palette, but they go together perfectly. As you can tell, I did a blue eye and kind of purpley eye with the same matte base, and they both work amazing together. This palette is $54. I feel like it's kind of a lot. It's kind of the average price range for Urban Decay and higher end makeup palettes. I probably would have been happier with it being around $40-ish, but 54. If you are a shimmer lover, then for sure it is worth the money. I have nothing but good things to say about it, you guys, except for maybe the price is a little bit high in my opinion. But like I said, it is kind of like the average price for high-end eyeshadow palettes. I didn't use the brush that it comes with because I don't think I ever really use brushes that palettes come with. I don't know why. I just have my own eyeshadow brushes that I love to use. And the brush that it comes with, it has like a little fluffier side for blending, and then this more flat side, probably for applying shimmers better. But I did notice that the shimmers for sure were more pigmented when you use your finger. It even says that on the packaging of the box, to use your finger for maximum color payoff. Is this palette Laugh, Love, and Hippie approved? Yes, totally, for sure. And I am gonna rate it a 10 out of 10. Which is a really good rating. And like I said, Urban Decay did send me this palette, but I am not obligated. They are not paying me. They just sent it to me to try, and I didn't even have to do a review, but of course I had to do it for you guys. Sometimes when brands send me stuff, I do get bad reviews. A couple weeks ago, I did a review on Urban Decay's Lash Freak Mascara, and they did send me that too, and it was a bad review. So I'm honest with my reviews. I just hope that it helps you guys out when it comes to purchasing this makeup or not. So I really hope this video helped you guys out if you were on the fence on getting this Stone Vibes palette or not. I'm stoked on it. I love everything about it. I love the name, Stone Vibes. I love the packaging. I love the eyeshadows. I love this palette, and I don't think I have loved a palette this much in a really long time, so that shows a lot. That's gonna wrap up this video. I really hope this review helped you guys out if you were on the fence if you should get this palette or not. I say go out and buy it right now. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed yet. Leave me a comment below if you guys are getting this palette, if you're interested in it, what you think about it, if you already have it. I love talking makeup with you guys. And if you guys want to check out my Instagram, I am starting to do a lot of like little mini reviews over there with the new Reels thing that just came out. I think it's really cool just to give like a 15-second review. So check out my Instagram if you guys want more makeup reviews, because I've posted quite a few over there. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out, hippies.
Stoned Vibes. It's my kind of palette, if you know what I mean. I'm kidding. No, I'm not. It is hot today. Super hot. I'm like sweating right here, and I'm surprised my eyebrows are